using at least 3 different fractions. 5/10, which equals a half. This is a half, 4/12, and 1/6. Or instead of the 1/6, we could have done 2/12.
Very smart.
Yes. Around the circle, and you get 31.4.
So what you do is you can pick one of these, or you can pick 2 or how many you want. Make the exact cost and then try to use it as least as many pieces of money.
We use math every day. So each of the children that I've interacted with today, whether they've seen the display for the first time or not, they have been passionate about explaining it. Oh, okay, I got it. And this is what I just learned myself. And here's a trick.
Can you fit 8 plus 4 into 13?
You can. That's 4,
So
yes.
then you would press yes. Now can you put 8 plus 4 plus 2 in?
No.
Okay, so then you would have to use 1, okay? And then your number.
How cool is that? So then that's the binary.
Yeah, this is how computers make numbers.
Oh, and you can only use
Good job.
They love the manipulatives, and I think that's what research has shown that our students need. They need to touch something.
How many more of these do you think you need to fill up to fill this whole thing? Give it a try.
We know that kids learn math best, especially young kids, by actually touching and experimenting with materials, right? So we want them to understand concretely what math concepts are before we turn it into the abstract, which is so much more different, right? And so what we do with manipulatives is always expose them to that first so that they actually see and feel size and weight and volume. He's put these together in cases that teachers can easily open up and say, we're going to learn how to do this today, and we're going to play with these materials.
Making the geodesic dome.
I'm a nurse by trade, so we're using math and science all the time, and just to get my kids more engaged with it and more excited, that would be awesome.
In our schools, we have science labs, we do robotics, but there's nothing for math.
You're doing analog versus digital.
Math has the foundational skills that transcend all subjects.
So yeah, it's really worthwhile.
The Fibonacci sequence.
I think continuing with this effort and bringing this to our schools in Lancaster County will be definitely a win-win situation for children and adults.
I found the only black one in the whole thing. Find it again. Yeah. I found a pink one.
There it is. It's right there.
Yeah, but there's 1,000 pink ones.
Oh, yeah, there's